We need magnets for. How should we do them?
Yeah, this is shiny.
How should we point the?
Okay, we have to top three.
Kann jemand eine Schere? Hat jemand eine Schere?
Ja, die wegräumen.
The video though. That's okay.
Ich habe mich dann nachher noch die Musik angestellt.
Ein bisschen weiter und wir sind hin. Ja, vierte.
Bin ich hier irgendwo ganz unten?
Was machst du? Was machst du?
Ich mach einen Schal.
Dann bin ich hinter dir.
Deine Kaya.
We have the top three.
Weil ihr vielleicht euch noch verteilen. He is from Stuttgart in Germany, and he is a popular musician. He is 20 years old, but nobody knows his face because he's always wearing a bandana.
Yeah, then we have the actors. They make music and they do their music, listen to songs we like, and they aren't from a special singer or a specific singer. So we listen to a song and we say, okay, that's great, but I don't know who sings that. We just love the song and not, oh, okay, that's from Crow, I like it, and that's from, I don't know, you don't know, I don't like it. So we only just listen to a song and then we decide if we like it or if we don't like it.
Yes, and now we will show you a song from Xavier Naidoo. But just the beginning because it's too long. Xavier Naidoo. And now we will show you the second point of the chart. I follow rivers.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed it.